Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to upload your assignments in Blackboard. I am currently in the student view. So if I click on Unit 1 and I have completed my essay, all I need to do is click on this link here. So it's the upload link for essay number 1. So I click on it, I see the due date, possible points, etc. Then what I want to do is simply browse to my local files, my desktop if you will, find essay 1, open it, and so now I've attached it to the assignment in Blackboard. Then what I want to do is to go down to the corner and hit submit. Once I hit submit, it takes me to this page. You'll see that because it's a PDF, it converts it. It's also over here, and it gives you this nice note up here. Success. Your submission appears on this page. The submission confirmation number, etc. Copy and save this number as proof of your submission. Also what happens is you'll receive an email confirmation once you've successfully uploaded your essay, your quiz, your assignment, no matter what it is. So let's just check the email. Your work was received. You successfully submitted your coursework. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you save these just in case something happens. Blackboard is very fickle, if you will, and so please save all of your receipts. If you do not receive one of these, then something has gone wrong. So if we go back to Blackboard, the other thing I would suggest that you do is avoid uploading, try to upload Google Docs, WordPress, documents created in those applications tend to come out a little bit distorted. So for example, it's been my experience with when a student uploads a Google Doc and it comes through the Blackboard and says uploaded successfully, when I download it, it might have been two spaces when you created the document, but for some reason Blackboard distorts it, so it makes it look like it's triple spaced. So my suggestion is that you create your document in Google Docs if that's what you're used to working with. When you're done, cut and paste it into Microsoft Word and then upload the Microsoft Word document. The preferred application for uploading is Microsoft Word. Okay, I hope this answered a lot of questions. If anybody has any questions about the uploading process, please feel free to shoot me an email. Thank you.